Hey everyone, it's your girl Polish Beauty, and I am back with, I'm doing a look, which you can tell, which is basically a tribute to Black History Month. And just so everyone would know, Black History is just, you don't have to be African American or Black to celebrate Black History Month. Black History is American history. Everyone should be able to celebrate Black History Month and to be proud of the history, just not basically proud of the history, but just proud of how far the country have come, how far it has evolved. And so with that being said, I want to start this off with a Black history fact. In 1991, Isaiah Wright was wrongly convicted of being a drug kingpin in New Jersey. He got life in prison. During the appeal process, he educated himself on the law and was exonerated of all charges. He went to law school and came back and got the cops and the judges locked up. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Isaac Wright. Now, you guys, I want you to leave me some comments down below of some Black history facts. I would absolutely love to hear your facts that you have. And then, of course, we're about to get into this look. But right before we get into this look, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So, let's get into it. Alright guys, if you are wondering what I got going on, I had put my concealer down, but I had to go back with the white eyeshadow base just to get the colors to show up. But we're going to go into the yellow first. I'm going to use the Warriors 3 by Juvia's. So I'm taking that yellow from the palette and I'm just packing it on. I think I'm just going to pack on all the colors and then blend them out. Okay guys, let me finish this up and I'll be back with the final look. I am back with my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this tutorial. I enjoyed doing it. I mean, why not do a Black History Month look? So right before y'all go, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button.